Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll be reading Antimonium tartaricum, common name Tartar emetic. Constitution. Persons. The hydrogenate constitution of Grovogler. Mental generals. Child clings to those around, wants to be carried, cries and weens if anyone touches it, will not let you feel the pulse. Physical generals. Great sleepiness or irresistible inclination to sleep with nearly all complaints. Diseases originating from exposure in damp basements or cellars. Face. Face cold, blue, pale, covered with cold sweat. Mouth. Tongue coated, pasty, thick, white with reddened papillae and red edges. Red in streaks, very red, dry in the middle, extraordinary craving for apples. Gastrointestinal system. Vomiting in any position except lying on the right side until he faints, followed by drowsiness and prostration of cholera morbus with diarrhea, and cold sweat, a dose after each attack. Respiratory system. Through the pneumogastric nerve, it depresses the respiration and circulation, thus producing the keynote of the remedy, namely, when the patient coughs, there appears to be a large collection of mucus in the bronchi. It seems as if much would be expectorated, but nothing comes up. Asphyxia, mechanical as apparent death from drowning, from mucus in bronchi, from impending paralysis of lungs, from foreign bodies in larynx or trachea, with drowsiness and coma. Child at birth, pale, breathless, gasping, asphyxia neonatum relieves the death rattle. Icterus with pneumonia, especially of right lung. In spring and autumn, when damp weather commences, cough of children gets worse. Modalities: aggravation in damp cold weather, lying down at night, warmth of room, change of weather in spring. Amelioration: cold open air, sitting upright, expectorating, lying on right side. Relation: similar to Lycopodium, but spasmodic motion of LA is replaced by dilated nostrils. To Veratrum, both have diarrhea, colic vomiting, coldness, and craving for acids. To Ipecac, but more drowsiness from defective respiration, nausea, but better by vomiting. When lung seems to fail, patient becomes sleepy, cough declines or ceases if supplants Ipecac. For bad effects of vaccination, when Thuja fails and Silesia is not indicated, before Silesia in dysthymia from foreign bodies in the larynx or trachea, pulse in suppressed gonorrhea, tear from damp basements. Children not easily impressed when antimonium tart seems indicated in coughs require HEPA self. Thank you.